Hey everyone, it's Anne here from English Valley Cafe. Have you heard of I'm down for it or I'm up for it? These are two super common English phrases that English speakers use in daily English conversation to talk about when they want to do something or they are interested in doing something. These are very informal phrases and people use them all the time in spoken English. So I'm up for it, I'm down for it. They both mean the same, and we use it when we want to let the other person know, hey, I love to do whatever you just suggested, or I'm interested in doing something. So, for example, if your friend says, hey, do you want to grab lunch tomorrow? Grab here means to get. It's an informal way of saying to get lunch or to have lunch. So, do you want to grab lunch tomorrow? You could say, hey, yeah, I'm down for it. Or we could even shorten it and say, yeah, down for it. Or I'm up for it. I'm up for it. Or the other day, a friend wanted to go to a coffee shop. So I asked her, do you have a particular coffee shop that you want to check out? So check out here means to like explore, like a place that you've never been to and you want to check out, you want to explore. So I said, hey, do you have a particular coffee shop that you want to check out? And she said, no, down for anything. Be down for anything. That means that I am interested in going to any coffee shop. Anywhere is fine. Down for anything. I was at the grocery store and I saw a husband holding a bottle of wine. And he looked like he was very interested. He wanted to buy the wine. So he said to his wife, you down? You down? Okay, so here he's asking her if she's interested as well, because I think the bottle of wine was pretty big. And I think he wanted to see if she was interested in trying the wine as well. So he said, you down? Okay, so notice here that we can shorten it even more when we are asking a question. And instead of saying, are you down? We said, you down? With that rising intonation at the end. You down? That means, are you interested? In you down? Or I could be holding movie tickets and I might ask you, you down? You down? That means I want to ask you, hey, are you interested? I have movie tickets. You want to go watch movie? You down? So this is a very informal, casual way of asking someone if they're interested in doing something, and you will often hear this in, everyday spoken English and daily English conversation. Now, I'm up for it. It could also mean that you are up for a challenge. Okay, so you could even use this to ask someone if they are up for a challenge. Let's say that your friend, took on this very difficult job and you tell your friend that this job requires you to work overtime, probably 80 hours a week. And your friend might respond and say, yeah, I'm up for it. I'm up for the challenge. You're playing video games and you got a very good score. You want to challenge your friend. You want to see if your friend can beat you. So you might ask them, hey, are you up for it? Are you up for the challenge? Okay, so you up for it? And you could reduce it even shorter with the question and just ask, you up for it? You up for it? So again, that intonation rises at the end to indicate it's a question. And we just start with that subject. You up for it? That means like, are you up for it? But it's just shortened to you up for it? If you like to learn more informal English phrases used in everyday spoken English, check out these two videos here.